Hi guys, firstly a big shout out to Stephen Bodin for being one of the first to comment on one of my recent videos. Today we will be talking about the Vivitar Aero, specifically how to change the propellers. It is an easy process, and I just wanted to make this video for you all. Firstly, these are the new propellers that I will be installing, as you can see. Also, actually yesterday I had a crash when I was doing the follow me. For those who have watched the video, they saw what happened. So if you haven't, please go back and watch that video. It was crazy. So I will be putting these two new props on here, just so that everything is even. And before we go there, I want to show you this. Make sure that when you're changing your props, it aligns perfectly with the previous one that was there. As you see, the way in which both end slants should be similar. That is very important, because some people change props without taking note. You see how, if you put it this way, you see how different it is. This slants that way and that slants that way, and that will cause a lot of problems. So it has to slant the same way. That way all the air is being pushed downward, creating that bubble and giving you the lift, and it also helps in the control. So please guys, note that that is a very important aspect right there. Okay, let's get to it then. Firstly, this knob, it's kind of tight, so you just pull it up and it comes out, but you have to have a firm grip to it. And then, I don't know if you can see this in here, there is a little bar, a little metal piece inside that holds this white piece firm. I don't know, let me see if you can see it, but I'll get a better angle later on. And that's what's holding this white piece down. So to remove that white piece, what you do is you pull it upward while squeezing, as you see me do. Yeah, pull it up, then squeeze, and then it aligns that little metal in there with the part that you have to push out, or that you have to push it through. So what I'm gonna use, I'm just gonna use this little propeller right here, but you can use anything. I'm just using this little propeller to push it out, and you see how it comes out. Okay, right there. Let's see. And from there you can just pull it out. And there you go. Make sure you don't lose it, because if you lose it, it's difficult to find a piece like that. So just put it somewhere safe, and then from there you can remove this white piece. And the thing you should note is this white piece has two ends. One outlet is a little bit deeper. That's where you push the little bar off, and the other is a little bit, higher. So you pull off your propeller, and also there is this piece in the middle right here. You have to take that and put it in the replacement piece, the replacement propeller, sorry. And there you go. Be careful not to lose that. And it goes in there. And from there, basically replacing the new one is just doing the opposite of what you just did right now. So you put that back, make sure it's in there, push it in. A little bit tricky here, but we will get it. Actually, it's not tricky, it's easy. Yeah, we just put it in there, push it down. white piece, align it with the little gap between the metal bar so that you can easily put in that little metal piece that we took out. Okay, so just align the hole perfectly, and then it's easy to push in, and then put that back up. There you go, guys. That's how you change the prop of your Vivitar Aeroview video drone. Leave your comments below if there's anything you want me to show or do. I will be glad to help out. Subscribe for those who have not yet subscribed, guys. I need the support. Thank you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Yay!